Hello 3D printing friends. Today on the BV3D channel we'll be taking a look at the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box. This is the April 2019 edition. Stick around, we'll open it up and see what's inside right after this. I'm Brian and you are watching BV3D. Hey everyone, welcome back. Alright, so this was waiting for me in my mailbox the other day, the April 2019 edition of the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box. I think it was running a little bit late. I think there were some issues getting the box out, what with the Midwest Rep Festival and all that going on, and Alien3D's attendance at that event. But no matter, we've got it now. We'll open it up and see what's inside. Well, first off, we have a note from Alien3D basically apologizing for things being late this month, having to do with the Midwest Rep Festival and such like that. So, looks like the brochures for this month have been misplaced. We're probably going to have to go check out the URL there and see what is included here. We have a old school monsters comic book. Kind of odd for Easter, but okay. We'll set that aside. We have, let's look at our filament first. Let me get some of these things out of the way. We have some FilamentOne aqua color PLA. This is nice. I like that kind of pastel blue. We have a WYZworks or WYZworks PLA chocolate. That's a nice chocolatey brown color. We have a slightly different shade of a pastel blue. This is a cerulean blue PLA from Tianse. And we have a peachy color 3D Passion PLA Perfect Peach. That's actually kind of nice. We'll set that aside right here. We have a JAYTEE sticker. By the way, if you have not watched the JTOGS stream, JAYTEE and that other guy, where JT and Ivan Miranda hang out for about an hour and just generally act silly, that is something that you should check out. I will put a link for that in the description. This is Purge 3D clean purge material for FDM extrusion printers. This, I think, is little snippets of cleaning filament. Yeah, these are little pre-measured rods of cleaning filament that you can use to purge one color out of your extruder and in preparation for running another color through. I'll set that aside right over here. And we have a USB powered thing. I think it's a water pump. We'll have to check the URL and we'll see what these things are for. So let's get into that. All right, here we are. This is going to serve as our brochure so we can see more information about the stuff that's in the box and find out about that project. So we have our filament providers. We have FilamentOne.com. We have WYZworks or WYZworks. I am not sure of the pronunciation of that. We have Tianse and we have 3D Passion. Okay, here is some information about the April 2019 UFO Mystery 3D Printing Box. It's Easter themed, but we noticed that. We have Ashcan Comics Pub for providing the comic book, which seems a little odd for Easter, but that's okay. I think it would be a little more appropriate for around Halloween. And Dan Alkesh1 for designing the 3D printable project parts. Well, I want to read more about that in a bit. And it looks like Nick, Bold City 3D on Twitter, won the Mothership box this month. It included 2 rolls of Alien Ooze PLA from IC3D. That is cool. That's some cool looking filament. All right, here's information about our filament samples. Let's see, we've got our FilamentOne PLA Pro Select Aqua. Josh says, I wanted to go with soft colors for the April box, and the aqua had just the right hint of green. Well, that's awesome. Then we have our PLA chocolate from WYZworks or WYZworks. I'm going to keep saying that both ways because I don't have a pronunciation guide. Got our printing temperatures and our bed temperatures. Can't have Easter without chocolate. Let's see your chocolate bunnies and eggs. Well, you know, I've got some chocolate bunnies to print out, so I think I will do that. We have our cerulean PLA from Tianse. This is a great sky blue color. Could make some great eggs. And our 3D Passion Perfect Peach. Josh says, I haven't done a peach color yet and thought this was a very pretty color for Easter. So there we go. Now here's our bonus accessory, the DynaPurge 3D Cleaning and Purging Filament. Clean your printer's hot-ended nozzle with DynaPurge 3D Clean. It's a non-chemical, non-abrasive thermoplastic for purging and cleaning, safe for both the operator and the 3D printer. All right, so these are cut in 8-inch segments and they are ready to use. So just run them through the printer at 230 degrees unless the material that you're purging out requires a higher temp. That's cool. Ah, the bonus project, the Alien3D water fountain and or water wall. April's known for its showers, and I thought a water fountain would be awesome. Not a lot of people like water in 3D printing, but Alkesh1 has done an amazing job, not just with a water fountain, but also a water wall. The UFO includes a water pump to go along the 3D printed parts. The alien mascot is printed separately from Thingiverse. Print them at normal size with 0 infill and 2 or 3 walls, and then just cut a hole out of the bottom to fit around the water out pipe. All right, so that would be the water wall, and that's the fountain. That's actually pretty cool looking. Me personally, I think I like the water wall look, and I will probably print that. Well, that's the contents of the Alien3D UFO Mystery Box for this month. I'm looking forward to printing with some of the filament samples that are inside, and also printing out that water wall. And that's about all the time we have for the episode today. Thank you so much for making it to the end. And if you are a subscriber of the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. It really means a lot to me. It helps the channel out a bunch, as well as everyone who comments and shares these videos. I do appreciate all of that interaction. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But either way, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you like the content that I'm producing, please consider supporting the channel with a one-time micropayment. You could buy me a coffee or leave a little something in the PayPal tip jar. Links for both are in the description. Well, now that I've got some cool filament samples and a cool project to print, I'm going to go work on that. You print something cool too, and I'll see you next time.